Today I bring you a very special chateau near Paris in Fontainebleau. This property sits on 172 acres with 3 lakes. All of the furnishings are also included with this property. And this walled garden is something out of a dream. If you love to grow flowers and vegetables, this is the absolute perfect walled garden. I've always dreamed of a walled garden just like this. And then of course you have your double greenhouse. And here we have a pigeonnier or dovecot. I never can tell what the difference is between the two. Perhaps you do. If you do, please let me know in the comment box what the difference is between the two. And there are several trees on the property that are listed as well, just like this one. Would love to know your thoughts on this property. Please let me know in the comment box. And also, if you have a special property that you would like me to feature on this channel, please send me a message via email or in the comment box. And as always, thank you for watching.